loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, it's great to have you. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out my very first nail hack video, so I'm not going to talk too much and let's just get right into the video. Hey loves, so I've been seeing this nail hack going all around and it's like really crazy. So apparently you're supposed to be able to remove your nails in 3 minutes with some acetone. So we're gonna test it out today and see if that's really gonna happen. So I'm just gonna start by cutting down my nails, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use these nail clippers. They're just regular nail clips, so you could just use whatever you have. And I also just want to add thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel. I really feel the love and support from you guys, and I just wanted to remind you guys that if you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate that. And you could also go ahead and hit a like on this video too if you like watching. I'm just going to grab the rest of the products that we're going to need. So you're going to need a bowl, and then you're also going to need a ziplock bag, also the acetone, that's the essential part. You'll also need a piece of paper towel, and this is optional, but I also got some sort of like protectant for my hand, so I just chose coconut oil. And then also some hot water. So what you're going to do is pour the hot water into your bowl. And this is hot water. I was just feeling the temperature. And then you're going to go ahead and grab your Ziploc bag. And you're going to put your Ziploc bag into that water. But before you do that, I'm just going to go ahead and fold my little piece of paper towel and place it into the Ziploc bag, because I guess this is supposed to be like a cotton swab kind of thing where it kind of goes around your nails. I don't know the science in what this is supposed to do, but it soaked up like all of my acetone, but that was okay. I guess that was the purpose of it, but who knows. So I also just poured my acetone in there and then placed it into the warm water. Now I'm just going ahead and coating my hand with some of the coconut oil. This is just to protect my fingers from getting damaged, or my skin from getting ruined from the acetone, because it is 100% pure acetone and it's very harsh chemical. So I want to protect my hands. I don't want to just put my hand straight in there without at least trying to protect it a little bit. So I go ahead and just stick my hand in, and at first I kind of put my hand down flat, but then I really thought about it and I was like, maybe I should switch the way I put my hand. So here I'm just showing you not to put it flat, to like put it curved. So curve your nails under, not leave your hand flat down, like your palm flat down. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab my phone, and I'm going to set a 3-minute timer and come back and we'll have a look at them. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes, and as you can see here, absolutely nothing happened. Well, not nothing, but barely nothing happened. Like, this hack is not even a hack. I'm like so disappointed right now because I really thought this was gonna work. Basically, you were just supposed to not have to do any filing, not have to do any prep, just put your hand in this bag and voila, it's supposed to magically just come off. So I'm gonna do this the right way, the real way, because I really still need to take my nails off. So I put my hand in the bag for another 30 minutes, and then I took them out. After the 30 minutes, there was still a lot of product, so I kind of did what I'm doing now, which is scraping some of the product off, put my hand back in for another 20 minutes, let it soak, and then now this is the result after 50 minutes. Oh my, this took me all day, and by now I'm like super frustrated. I'm like, why didn't I just file my nails down like I always do? But honestly, it's just easier. Get your e-file, take off as much product as you possibly can. Maybe at the max, put your hand back in the bag for 10 to 15 minutes, and then it's gonna be perfect. So I I just feel like these hacks are kind of getting ridiculous sometimes. Maybe gel polish. With gel polish, I think this would definitely work. I think 3 minutes, yeah, that's a good time. It'll remove the gel polish. Maybe a thin coat of dip nails, maybe. But as you can see, I ended up even having to go back in for another 10 minutes to remove all that little excess gunk that was kind of still on there. But after the last 10 minutes, so 1 hour, 60 minutes, after 60 minutes, all of the product was coming off. Like, all of it had come off. It left my nails pretty clean, not damaged, and I was really happy about that. But 60 minutes, I don't know, versus 3, that's a big time difference, guys. That's a huge time difference. So I guess don't believe everything you see on the internet is the lesson here. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish cleaning up my nails and just giving myself a little mini manicure. So I'm going to push my cuticles back, remove any of that dead skin that's on my nail plate. And this nail is a little bit damaged right there. I think I hit it and then, you know, my epinicium kind of pulled away from my nail, but that's okay. I don't mind it. And I'm going to go ahead and just buff the surface of my nail. I'm going to go around my free edge and kind of just clean it up a little bit. I don't really want to see any natural nail growing out, because the nail look that I'm going to do after this one, guys, the nail look that I'm going to do after this one is going to be so nice. I'm so excited to do it because I used my acrylics that I got from my last video. I'm going to link it below, and it's this one right here. I got acrylics from MVP Nail Designs, and oh my god, those acrylics are so beautiful, and I'm just dying. Like, I'm really falling apart to use these acrylics. So that's going to be in my next video, so make sure you guys come and check it out. So now I've finished prepping up my nails, and I'm just going to go ahead and buff lightly the surface of my nails just to, you know, get off all that dead skin, make sure my nails are nice and clean. I'm doing this ever so gently. I'm trying not to kick up any dust. Really, I'm using the buffing side of my hand file, so I'm not really taking off any nail, if you know what I mean. I'm just kind of lightly buffing the surface of my nail so that, you know, it's like nice and smooth and ready to go for the next set. So I also wanted to introduce something, guys. So I was thinking of actually doing a drop a link Wednesday. I've never heard of this before. I've never seen YouTubers do this before, and I just want, you know, you guys and me to be a closer family, and I feel like I love finding and discovering your channels. So as of from now, every Wednesday, I'm going to be doing a drop a link Wednesday where you can come on my channel. You can drop your link to your YouTube channel down in the comments section and have everybody go ahead and check your channel out as well. And we can kind of be a community. But also, if you want to drop a link, you have to be subscribed to my channel. So if you are not subscribed to my channel and you drop your link to your YouTube channel, I will be deleting it. Sorry, sis, but you have to be a part of the family to share within the family, okay? So I hope that's going to be fun for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it as always. Love you so very, very much. Bye now.